Magluluto tayo ngayon, guys. Today is the day. Today is the party. But I think you will see this after nyo na nakita yung party talaga. Magluluto kami ni Dan. Si Dan nagpunta lang sa shops para bilhin yung ingredients na kulang. Kasi hindi pa pala kami nakabili ng mince. Wait, ito medyo distracting siya ng konti. I-tape natin, guys. I'm wearing a romper from Zafu. Ano na kasi? Summer. Iti-tape ko lang yung dito. Gamitin ko yung regular na double-sided tape lang. Double-sided tape. Kasi diba, I have been using the, what do you call that? Yung ginagamit ko, Hollywood tape. And that one is expensive. And some of you guys said this one does the same job. So, we will see. Ngayon ko lang to actually naisip. Nakita ko kasi yung double-sided tape. Galing to kay Kmart. $1 lang to, guys. Yung double-sided tape, yung Hollywood tape, umaabot ng $20. Kung ito nag-work, bongga, ilalagay, magkakat lang ako ng marami nito, tapos ilalagay ko dun sa Hollywood tape na container, diba? Kasi cute yun eh. Tapos very travel-friendly nun. Yun lang. Pahirapan makuha yung niya, papel. Oh, come on! In fairness ha, dikit na dikit siya. Tingnan natin kung ano magiging niya mamaya. Bumili kami nito sa Kmart, diba, mini chopper? So, gagamitin natin to today. Wait, i-clear ko muna yung counter kasi it's very messy, people. Update agad-agad sa tape. Hindi siya nagsistay. No? Nafe-feel ko na nagtatanggalan siya. Parang nafe-feel ko na gumaganon siya sa skin ko. So, hindi siya nagsistay, guys. Yung Hollywood tape kasi nagsistay. And wala namang product itong dito ko. Kasi kapag naglo-lotion ako kamay, paalam naman, legs. So, yeah. Wala, guys. Umaangat na siya, guys. I'll still keep it there for now until like sobrang boom, gumano na siya. Pero, I don't think it's working, people! Ang cute nito, guys. $15 lang to from Kmart. Ano siya? Chopper ng mga vegetables. So yeah, perfect siya. Oh, ang cute niya. Ang liit lang niya. Hugasan ko lang to, guys. Tapos, i-prepare ko din yung mga ingredients para makasimula na tayo. Unahin ko yung, actually, pwede ko naman pagsasabayin. Magluluto pala ako ng spaghetti, Filipino style, at saka sausage rolls. Yun ang ating lulutuin, mga kaibigan. Just in case something happens, we'll keep this kasi pwede natin siyang i-return kapag siya ay nasira agad-agad. Okay, so we will need garlic. Guys, itry na natin siya, guys. Excited ako sa kanya. Kapag ikaw tumatanda na na-excite ka na sa mga kitchen items, mga panglinis, mga ganun. Ito, ano siya, guys? Quarter ng onion. Lagyan natin siya dyan. I hope it works. Wait, it's on. Oh! It works. Oh, nice! So, meron siyang dalawang setting. Yung isa, parang isa. Tapos yung isa, may dalawang lines. Try ko yung dalawang lines. Wow! Ay, ang galing! I like it. Ignorante mode. Ay, nice! Yun lang! Ang bilis! I love it! So, that one's for the spaghetti. Tapos yung isa, para sa sausage roll, isasama ko siya sa sa, anong tawag doon? Anong tawag doon? Carrots. Yun. Babe?
Yeah.
The chopper's really good.
Is it?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. You fed the fish?
Sorry?
You fed the fish?
Yeah.
Chocolate?
I'll give one of these to the,
Jonathan?
yeah, Jonathan.
Do you want me to cook all these, babe? Or the two sausage roll? Or sausage meat?
We'll go one first and see that's enough.
Okay.
That might be enough. You breaking it?
Ready? I think I put too much. mince now for the sausage mince. How good is that?
Has it got sausage mince there already?
Sorry?
Has it already got sausage mince in there?
Here? No.
No, it's not.
The sausage mince is already in. That's so good, babe. Look at that, my love. Do you think it needs more?
Up to you.
We will add cheese as well, babe. Ganito siya ka-mince, guys. Oo. So good. No, I think, you know what? I think this is enough.
Okay.
What are you doing, my love?
Okay.
Nilagay na, ito yung para sa spaghetti sauce, guys. So, naglagay kami ng garlic na nasunog ng slide. Kasi si Dan chika pa more. And then, we added the onion. Now, next is hot dog.
Is it?
Yes. Good job. Ayan. After ng hot dog, lagay natin yung, ano guys, minced beef. So, inuuna ko yung hot dog para may smoky. Char. May smokiness sa kanya ba? Do you think that is enough or should we add more hot dog?
Yeah, I reckon that'd be enough once you minced beef.
Yeah? Sige. Okay na yan. Where's the spaghetti sauce? Ah, ito pala. Ito yung ginagamit namin na sauce, guys. Del Monte Sweet Style Spaghetti Sauce. Yan. And the cheese, babe. That one. Thank you very much. Guys, ito na yung sausage mince. Yung yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina ba, ganito. Ganito siya, guys. Isa yun lang yung ginamit namin. I know sinabi ko sa vlog ko na ayaw namin to gamitin, but this is actually from Woolies, not from Kohl's. And sabi ni Dan, mas masarap daw to. So, we're trying that one. And ito na yung minins natin na ano kanina. Nilagyan ko din siya ng garlic, guys. So, combination to ng garlic, onion, at saka carrots, obviously. So, i-mix lang natin yan. Tapos, lagay mo sa sausage mince. I-mince mo siya. Hindi ko muna dadamihan. Kasi baka hindi kailangan. Tapos, lalagyan mo din to ng cheese maya-maya. Si Dan, guys, nandun sa spaghetti. Ako nandito ako sa sausage roll. Hala, can you open the compass, please?
Yeah.
Kumusta na yung ating sauce dyan? Kumusta na? How is it, babe?
Perfect.
Later on, you will need to add cheese, ha? Grate the cheese later. And yung ating sausage roll, nilagyan ko siya ng cheese, guys. So, ito yung ginagamit ko sa sausage roll. Australian cheese. Tapos, sa Filipino spaghetti, yung cheddar na Kraft. Yan. Mamaya yan dyan. Pero yeah. Now, ready na to. Ilagay sa pastry natin, guys. And i-bake natin siya mamaya. Ito ang isa sa nagpapasarap dito, guys. Ang cheese. So, nag-grate lang si Dan. Careful with your fingers, babe.
I'm making it. I'm doing it slowly.
Slowly. Good job. Keep going. Yummers. That should be enough, my love. Guys, we're getting the pastry ready. So, malinis tong counter ko, ha? Ganyan lang siya, guys. Ganyan. Kinat ko in half yung isang pastry. And then, lagay natin yung ating sausage mince. Na nilagyan natin ng cheese na masarap. It smells really good dahil sa cheese. And the onion. And the garlic. And the carrots. Ganunin mo lang yung edges, guys. Para manipis yung edges. And then, ito ano lang siya. Egg. Na binit na Dan. Brushan mo yung dito sa loob. Ganyan.
Don't matter. You're gonna put them in the freezer, don't you? Anyway.
Yes. Why? What were you gonna do?
Where are we gonna put them before you put them in the freezer? Like from there, where are you gonna put it? Okay.
Why?
Just wondering.
Okay. It's been a while. The last time I cooked this, I don't even remember when. Oh, we had family dinner. I think that was the last time. Yeah. But that wasn't as good as my first one. Still good, but...
First one was fantastic.
I know! Yung mints na ginamit ko noon, wala na. Hindi na binibenta ni Coles. Nakakaloka si Coles. Alright, so you do it like that. Perfect. And then, ilalagay mo to sa freezer, guys, ng 10 minutes. Lagyan mo muna natin siya dyan. Ito na yung sausage roll natin, guys. Nag-brush na ako ng egg, pero ibabrush ko ulit ng more pa. Like that, para brown. Pwede nyo din itong lagyan ng sesame seeds. After nyo i-brush yung egg, kasi didikit yung sesame seeds dyan. Kaya lang, wala kaming sesame seeds. Tinapon na namin. Kasi ang tagal yun dun sa drawer and hindi ginagamit. Ngayon na, may gagamitan na, wala. Pero okay lang naman siya, walang sesame seeds. Okay na, okay lang. Yung oven, naka-ready na siya, guys. 190 degrees Celsius.
Open up here to move this one.
Yeah, that's ready, isn't it?
Yeah, about that.
That looks good. Or do you wanna put it back and make sure it's like
But I'll put
brown?
it back for a little bit longer.
Okay.
Let's get a little more brown.
This one's perfect, babe. That one, the
Yeah.
small one. That's me. Just a little bit longer.
2 more minutes.
Guys, tapos na siya, guys. Hindi ko na siya pinatagal ng bongga kasi baka ma-overcook naman masyado. Pero looks like that. It's looking really good. Kinuha ko yung nandito kasi siya yung pinaka pangit. Dito siya ay. Titikman natin yan. Meron kasi siyang ganyan sa tikman natin siya kapag na, medyo hindi na siya ganun kainit. Kasi fresh from the oven, sobrang init pa. But it looks good and ang bango niya dahil sa cheese. Ito siya. Gusto ko to. Ito yung pinaka-paborito ko. Liit niya, tapos ang brown-brown niya. Ako yan. Mainit. Yum. Babe! Try it. It's good. Nagbabacuum. Update? Wala na. Natanggal siya, guys. Hindi umabot ng ilang minuto eh. Wala. Tanggal yung, tape. It's hot. Careful.
Are they cooked enough?
Yeah. You like it?
Good.
Think it's good?
Yep. It's good.
Luto na, guys. Yum. Looks good, babe. Yummers.
Do you reckon I need all the sauce on top?
Sorry?
Do you reckon I need all the sauce?
Just put all the sauce. Looks good. And ito, guys, ready na din siya. Parang konti lang siya, pero okay lang. Ang dami naming pagkain talaga. Tapos yung cheese, where's the cheese, babe?
In the fridge.
In the fridge. Meron, lalagyan natin siya ng cheese, pero nilagay ko sa separate na container. Para sila na lang bahala maglagay ng cheese sa nila ba plate. Pero yan, ready na. Kailangan na lang natin mag-ready dalawa, my love. Mamaya na ako mag-makeup para maliligo pa ulit ako. Kasi, baka, mabaho na. Ay, hindi, ang bango ko. Bango na kailang-gili ko. Dab. Banga! Yeah! Sabi yun, para kang buang, para kang tanji, eh.